Good afternoon everyone, welcome to the channel. This is my third video about the stock market, what I have done this week. I have started 3 weeks ago to share this information with you. It is just my experience. I hope you will be able to learn something from it, good or bad, right? This is the reason why I'm actually doing. So you see on the screen that this week the portfolio I have, it's at 266,526. Just to say that it was not a good week in the sense that I lost around $300 this week. So this is what I lost. At the beginning of 3 days, $112, only today $180. I will explain to you why. At the beginning of the week, it was a sell-off. President Trump started again the war with Europe, the tariff war, right, with Europe, Canada, Mexico, and the rest of the world. And in the meantime, he tried to fire or at least threaten the president from the Federal Reserve, right, Jerome Powell. So all of those things make people not so confident that the economy will going to perform well. And the first 3 days, some of the companies were actually doing a sell-off. So pretty much losing more into their share price than a normal day, a regular day, right? You will see that one of the company, let's say HBI, for the first 3 days went from 470 to 430, right? It's one of the volatile companies, maybe not a great example, but for you to understand how this is happening. Again, my... give me a second, guys, to find this Questrade, because I have those windows and I'm moving them on a different monitor, and after some time, maybe 5 minutes or so, Questrade is actually killing those windows and I don't have what to show it to you, right? And it's some kind of bug which I'm not very happy with, but what can I do? Okay, let's try to take this, come on, and move it here. And this is actually the RRSP. So sorry for that, I'm actually talking while I'm doing this, and it will gonna be ready in a second. Okay, so let me just share those with you, because we don't know for how long we have them on the screen. So this is my RRSP account. It went up to 153,523. I have cash 110, right? And this is the good thing. I'm losing 4,000, especially because of two companies which are bad investment. I will show them to you. Now TFSA is doing good, 40,000. I'm losing 2,500, right? And I still have 20,000 into cash. So this is the situation. Now moving to my third monitor. The good thing, I was inspired yesterday and I bought a little bit more into Dell, and Dell today it went up 6%, so it's close to breakthrough into the positive. Dell was down for maybe 2 months, 3 months for 30 to 40%. Now the fourth monitor, this is where you can see the activity for the RRSP account. Dell, it went up, almost breaking through. Google, I sold it, I bought it today just to have 5,000 in. Very stable company. This week it went up 1% 3 times, but I was not very inspired and I was not into the market at that time for Google. AMD, today I double it up because it went to 160. It's a company which is recovering from 40% down, almost to breakthrough. I double it out, bought another 25 shares at 160. I put a stop loss at 158. It went through because it went down to 157. I lost around $80 here. HBI, it started to go down from the beginning of the week, 476 to 467. I was able to buy around $9,000 at 467. It went down to 430. It recovered yesterday from 440 to 452. Today from 52 to 456. I sold at 456 1,000 share. It went down to 451, and I'm expecting if it will go down back to 440, maybe I will buy another 1,000. But this is a volatile company. I don't know exactly when to buy and how much it will gonna go down. It will be another sell-off. So definitely I want to get out of HBI, Etsy, and Edit. Not good investment. TMO, it will recover. Today I bought it at 426. It went down to 4 14, even lower than that for 11. I bought again another 10 shares and I have it at 420, which is not bad, right? Maybe I will buy another 4,000 at 400 if this will gonna happen, right? And I'm just trying to move this number down and eventually to go back up. Last week it was 434, right? So that company eventually will gonna recover. I will make money. Bungie, it's a long time company in which I have invested, right? Long play. It may take another year or so until it will recover to $100, $110. This is an agricultural company, depends on the weather and other things of that nature, right? Prices of commodities and whatnot. Now, if we are looking on the third monitor, you will see Dell is doing good. This is something which is not, I've done that investment and I'm not happy about it. My wife came one day and told me this is an insurance company, very big, which is going down from 600 to 300 because of several problems and some big scandal, I don't know, some corruption, whatever they were doing, right? And CEO issues and stuff like that. But after that, I bought it at 350. It continued to go down. And you see it's 280. It is affected as well because it's an insurance based on medical things, right? It is affected by the rules imposed by the Congress under Trump administration, which cut the Medicare and things of that nature, right? So what I wanted to show you, if you are doing this, you are actually blocking $11,000 from an account where I have only 40,000, right? So this is something I shouldn't have done, right? Because I'm trying to play day by day and to increase this amount. But a mistake I've done, it is a mistake I've done and I have to live with it, and just don't think about it until it will recover. And I hope it will recover. Dell this year for the last 2-3 months it was down like 40% and it recovered, right? UNH is not a computer company, it's not Dell, it's not investing in artificial intelligence. It will recover a little bit harder. So guys, this is it for this week. Let me show maybe on the primer monitor. The S&P 500 was actually zero today and yesterday, right? So a lot of companies lose money, some of the company made money, right? Dell was actually a positive sign for me. The other are not so stable. This one, it's something amazing, which grew from $2 to $8. A company building electrical battery, and at that time there are some laws which are prohibiting importing electrical battery from China, right? But the other company I'm not so confident about, like Marvell Technologies and Twilio and even Tesla, right? Not to mention Etsy and so on. So this is the situation for my account for now, right? Let's go, we're on the second monitor and show it to you one more time. What I was able to do, lost $300, not so bad overall in such a bad week for me. At the beginning of the week, that sell off for 3 of the companies. Overall, those 3 weeks, I made $1,850 US, 2,500 Canadian. Let's hope next week we're gonna be positive and we're gonna increase this amount, but it's good we are making money and we are not losing, right? So this is it for now, guys. I'm trying to stay within 10 minutes for each week presentation and YouTube video. I wish you to enjoy the weekend, enjoy life, stay healthy, and until the next time, had a good time, with your friends and family. Goodbye for now, guys.